Okay guys, today I wanted to show you this propeller assembly is motorized, and one of the concerns you have is the propeller continuing to turn if a kid steps in front of it. So some of the things that I've done to mitigate that problem is I basically use, you can see a DC driven motor that's got a gear reduction to 150, and then in here you can see I'm using rubber O-rings. So that in itself is enough to allow it to slip, and I'm going to demonstrate this for you. Okay, so we're going to power it up. This is plenty fast to simulate, propellers. And then I'm going to throw my hand in front of it. So that's the safety feature. So basically, this belt isn't locked in good enough to really get this to continue to spin if a kiddo steps in front of it. Again, that's what I'm talking about. Innovation, people. But check this out. This thing's looking beastie. Okay, so we got pretty amazing. It's gonna be pretty impressive.